jingnang jingstad ke sdang nala rympei, lada ki bru ki kwah banwa de jingstad, haka amdan ke jingkut. Kalong ke badon kam, bakum ki kena school, kim dai ban long ki bajai tu, Henry ki dai ban long ki smart busting, da ke jing tray shitam, banwa de jingstad, da ke bakin ai mensim lem ya ki wei de ki para kena, kim dai ban ino shiteng por, ya ke jing pulih. Ya kini la keren da Deputy Commissioner ke South West Kassil District, ha kesngi rakhe. Ya ka World Literacy Day hajar pulai. Susu Deputy Commissioner ke South West ba di langwa ulaom ba kidon shibun ke jingpun shoy namar ki imanta ha kejuk jong sayan ki belong langba ki social media hanraikum ki balanang lastat kim dai benca air lambakla penban ki dai benang kum no ben pendon kam ya kekor kabor bat kipor jong ki ha ki jingpuli na keleng kekong Nadine GB Jerwa habakren hakani kesngi kalai kecing pentip sepang kani kesngi bekerpang bat kalai turu bak literacy rate jong ke South West Kassil District katkum ke census jong senam arjar kadway kalau nyau penriu poin san pusau persen dan di senrang nyau pulai bat ki kentai pat nyau pusan poin nyau pulai.
The organizers of this program for making this program a very successful and beautiful meaningful one. My friends who are sitting in the front row, principal of Snapsim College, the additional PSU, the principal of Maram, the additional SP who is with us, my dear teachers, students from various schools are here. I'm very delighted to be talking to you. I wish I could meet you, all of you. Whenever I have time, I used to visit the schools. I want to talk to you personally because I want to inspire you and to guide you so that you will go in the right direction. Because the world is full of evils, the world is full of unwanted happenings around us when we read newspapers, when we see the YouTube channels, when we watch the video clippings, we find everywhere there are right from the small children to the grown-ups. It seems that the world is coming to an end. There you will hear news about wars, or fights, or violence, about misbehavior, so on and so forth. But looking at you, I could see the bright future that society is having from now onwards. Just to remind you that this World Literacy Day is the outcome of the conference of education ministers from the world, which met at Tehran, capital of Iran, in the year 1965. They had a very thorough discussion in that conference, and they came up with the decision that we should celebrate World Literacy so that to encourage the people of the world to come up to get rid of the darkness, to get rid of illiteracy, to get rid of backwardness. In order to get rid from backwardness, from illiteracy, we require education. Without education, a person would remain as a caveman or as a person who stays in the jungle, who lives in the jungle, who cannot mix around with the society. And you will find that there are people who do not know how to read and write. They have that interior complex, security complex, if they meet you, because they know that you know better than them. Boy is here, he could read properly, I'm very happy for that, and I was congratulate the people who are looking after this our school program. I would encourage them to locate more and more children and identify them, and we should have them in the DMC office and also in the school. We should have some discussion or some workshop to discuss on how to liberate or how to bring these people to the level that is required, so that they can be a part of the students or the children of the village or of the society. I have seen these drawings, paintings, and I could see talents amongst the school children. So I would encourage the students to excel in your own fields, be it painting, be it art, be it singing, so on and so forth. God has given us different talents. We should excel, we should use our talents. Nama latin pernah kami kita bisa pakai kalau lekok, kalau gaya jimbang sedo, ya kerjanya variety. Kita kalau pernah kami yang satu bagian, lah kalau ada embroider, ada painting, ada jingnang, itu kami bawa berbeda. Like kami bersiul. Mak pernah berbuat penuh bol kami lagi, penuh yang berbuat jadi hati kami bawa. Kerana berpenai dengan kami bersendiri. So, with these few words, I congratulate the office of the DMC and the DSU office for organizing this World Literacy in a befitting manner, and I wish that World Literacy Day should be celebrated on the correct day, on the 8th of September. Nama orang-orang pada sinihan jadi kalau mencintai tidak kawin dah kalau orang ni. Kalau saya juga di mana dia sebenarnya benar. Dia kau benar sih. Okay, so I would request towards literacy because human being is different from the animals. If you compare a baby and a calf. If you see a cow that has just given birth to a baby cow, that is called a calf, you will find that the calf will run after the mother and suck the breast of the mother to get the milk. Whereas a human being, a baby that is born from a human being, cannot do that. It is the mother has to take her baby and put her in her lap and feed the baby. So initially, the animal is wiser than the human being. How many orang constant beliau. Tetapi kan yang pun masih kah, masih ube yang kami baniwa dengan dun, bagi objek yang berada di mereka pulang jangi kerja, ukia apa, jengkia umnan wajibah. Jadi kami bahagian siaman, bandai itu. So at the beginning, animal is wiser than human being, but it is only through teaching, through learning, that human being becomes wiser than animals. So we have to keep on teaching, we have to keep on learning as long as we live, as long as we breathe. Because learning does not end. We of course we have completed our education up to the master level. Even some additional qualifications we have done. But learning does not end as long as we live as long as we live. So, human being requires constant learning and continuous learning. Unwanted activities being done, being practiced everywhere, be it in the town, be it in the villages. So we don't want to degenerate. We don't want to degenerate. So we have to think of the bright future, so that we will, our children, our grandchildren will live and will live happily in peaceful atmosphere. Viewers,